Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me VIvo X80 Pro, and now I'll show you how to set up newbie share on this device. So firstly you need to open control panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Find location services and enable it. Okay. Then find newbie share. Click and hold on it, wait a while, click add or verify, just click agree. Cool, now just enable newbie share. Here you can change device name, you can change device visibility mode, for example hidden, visible for contacts only or visible for everyone. Cool. Then you can change data usage mode, for example data mode, Wi-Fi only mode or Bluetooth mode. I suggest to use data mode because it includes in one Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. So that's it. Now you can share and receive data using newbie share. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye. See you.